Another day, another story. Introduction. Hello and welcome to this video on how the solar system works. The solar system is a fascinating and complex system that consists of the Sun, 8 planets, dwarf planets, asteroids, comets, and other celestial bodies. In this video, we'll be discussing the basic workings of the solar system, including its formation, the structure of the planets, and the interactions between the different bodies. Formation of the solar system. The solar system formed around 4.6 billion years ago from a massive cloud of gas and dust known as a solar nebula. As gravity pulled the particles in the nebula together, they began to spin and flatten out into a disk-like structure. At the center of this disk, the Sun formed, while the remaining material coalesced into the planets, moons, and other objects in the solar system. Structure of the planets. The 8 planets in the solar system can be divided into 2 groups, the terrestrial planets and the gas giants. The terrestrial planets, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars, are small and rocky, with solid surfaces and thin atmospheres. The gas giants, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune, are much larger and primarily made up of hydrogen and helium gas, with thick atmospheres and no solid surfaces. Interactions between celestial bodies. The planets in the solar system interact with each other in a number of ways. For example, the gravity of the planets affects the orbits of other nearby objects. This is why Pluto, a dwarf planet, was reclassified as such, as its orbit is influenced by Neptune's gravity. Additionally, some planets have moons that orbit around them, and these moons can affect the planets themselves. For example, the tidal forces of Earth's moon cause the tides on Earth. Conclusion. In conclusion, the solar system is a complex and fascinating system that is still being studied and understood by scientists. From the formation of the Sun and planets to the interactions between celestial bodies, there is still much to learn about our place in the universe. Thank you for watching, and we hope you learned something new today.